Wait, look everyone, there's a card.
What
and
is
it's from
it?
Hawaii. It's from Aunt Rachel. Let's see. Dear everyone, here are some reminders of your time in Hawaii. I'll miss you. Aloha, Aunt Rachel. Cupcake time.
I want some.
Give me
Nuts?
Let's see. They're mochi. There's something. Cupcakes from Hawaii. Take out some cupcakes.
Some. They're all stuck together.
Alright. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here we go.
So yummy. I wish I could eat more. I miss my cup.
Woo!
You color.
Good job. Yeah.
Woo! It's your first time playing the ukulele and you're great. What?
Here's CeCe. CeCe Jones. Right here. Beach day. Beach day.
Wait. Look who's playing now.